has made far too many victims up and down the state, and you are going to hear from those victims today. The people in this building need to hear from those victims today. And what we have coming up tomorrow is the Appropriations Committee. And there are bills in that committee that we need to take action on. There's bills like SB 14, which need to pass, because we should never allow our children to be trafficked for sex in this state. There should be serious penalties for that. And we should also ensure that we stop bad bills like SB 94, which seeks to let out people who committed heinous crimes against our citizens and seeks to let them out when they were supposed to do life.